Yo, if you are new to affiliate marketing and you haven't got your first commission yet, I'm about to share with you some really good advice. Now, if you are new to affiliate marketing, you're probably aware by now that there are tons of things that you can promote as an affiliate to the point where it can actually become overwhelming. So what I suggest to you, if you are new and you really want to see that first commission show up in your account, is pick one thing to promote and one thing only. Now, I'm not saying you got to stay like that forever, but affiliate marketing is super cool. And when you get that first commission, it's going to feel so damn good. Trust me, right? Even if it's a $10 commission, you're going to be like, hell yeah, right? It just feels dope. So to make your odds better and to make that come quicker, make that commission come quicker, you need to focus on one offer, right? Have that one thing that you really feel good about promoting, you're excited to promote, and that you really know about this product inside and out or service, and you're ready to really put it out there in front of people. Now you want to make sure you have your marketing strategy, and that's pretty simple. Is how do you want to promote this offer? Are you a Facebook type of person? Are you a YouTube type of person? Are you a TikTok type of person? Whatever it is, figure it out and have your offer and just stick with that until you start generating some commissions with that. Now, once you got, some commissions underneath your belt, you got that solid marketing strategy that you're using, then you can kind of, start adding on different affiliate programs and different things that you promote that maybe even complement, what you originally promoting or whatever. Or maybe it's a completely different thing. But first getting started, I know it's super tempting to promote just like 50 things at once, right? But when you spread yourself too thin, it's hard to put a lot of attention on 50 different things. But if you just focus on that one, right, and really hit hard with like YouTube videos or your Facebook or whatever, that commission is gonna come, and it's gonna come a lot quicker.